Hello everyone. I have my Lego train set again, and I did a new track, which is like at first I was gonna do a crossing railroad, but the crossing railroad didn't really work. The crossing railroad didn't really work right, so I just did this instead. Next video I'll probably do it on top up there. Depends on how the width is. Okay. I'm going to run the train right now. I gotta press the button. And now the green light should be open. You may not see it, but it's on. Probably turned it off by accident. Sorry. Okay. It's like a simple track that doesn't really take long, but sometimes it can take long to build a track. Depends on how you're doing it. Okay, I'm going to put it in the opposite direction.